Hello, welcome. So I am very excited for this video because I am going to be doing a Christmas in July I did the tutorial over voiceover method because the time I was filming was completely hectic outside. It was very noisy. It was rush hour and I didn't want to deal with editing those out. So I really hope you enjoy this. I got this inspiration from this wonderful lady. Her name is Michelle and her YouTube username is Michelle's Everyday Glamour. And I don't know if you ever seen her videos, but she's a really sweet person and I've watched her for such a long time, and she's always is known for these kind of videos, especially among the Christmas spirit. So these are the products I used for my tutorial. I had some interesting I had an interesting experience playing with each of those palettes just because some of them I have never used. So I hope you enjoy watching, and if you are new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing, ring the bell, and if you are a returning subscriber, I am very grateful for you. You bring a lot of joy to me, and it's just wonderful to have you here again. So I'm going to end this clip now, and I'll get started. So for my eyelids, I used this foundation because I don't use foundation. I put that all over my lid, and then I used the Flower Beauty Miracle matte powder to set that with the foundation. Next, I'm going to be using this Too Faced cookie palette. It's sugar cookie, and I am using this light brown matte shade as a transition, and it still smells like cookies, so I really appreciate that. And overall, I just love Too Faced eyeshadows when they have scents. Next, I'm going to be taking that matte cream shade and just putting that over my brow bone. Now I'm using the Too Faced white chocolate bar, and I'm using this shimmery pink gold shade, and it didn't pick up as well with either a makeup brush or my finger, so I decided to damp the eyeshadow with water using the brush method, and it did help a little bit. So next I'm using this burgundy burnt shimmer brick red as my outer corner here. And next I'm taking a shimmery silver shade from the Sugar Cookie palette, and it really brought, oh wait, it's vanilla chocolate. Okay, so I'm using that shade and I'm putting it as a halo effect in the shadow. Next, I'm taking this green shade, it's like a pastel color. I'm just putting that underneath the waterline. Next, I'm just going to be blending everything together. It looks really subtle, but I really love how everything came out using both of those palettes. Oh yes, inner corner. Can't forget that inner corner. I used that light shimmer shade and it really popped with my look. It was a little bit freaky, but after I just swept my makeup brush just to get rid of it. Next, I'm using this ColourPop Holiday Blush item, and it's called Secret Crush. Yeah, Secret Crush. And it's like a shimmery pink rose tone shade, and I mean, this was the first time using it, and I really loved it. Just putting that on my nose a little bit. So next I'm using this ABH Glow Kit, and it's the one called Sugar. And I'm going to be using She Cut Starburst as my subtle highlighter. And it gives such like a glowy effect to the skin. It's not blinding, it's just, it provides like a natural glow within. So next is lip products, and the first one I'm using is a Victoria's Secret lip gloss, and it's called Mint Twist. It smells like mint, and the formula is like a moisturized thick formula. It's very nice. Next I'm using the Too Faced lip gloss, and this one is called Spice Cake. It smells pretty good. It doesn't have like a strong scent, but I really loved wearing the lip gloss together with the Victoria's Secret one. So that is my finished look. May God bless, and thank you for watching. Bye.